Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop Beta, and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I wanted to do today, guys, is show you how you can now easily create the halftone effect within Adobe Photoshop with just one click. As you heard me at the start of this video, I'm in the Photoshop Beta version, and they've introduced this new parametric filters option for us. We can use that just to add filters to our imagery. A really cool idea that you can use across all of your designs, just to add an extra sense of professionalism and modern aesthetics. So with that layer highlighted, what I'm now going to do is come up to filter. And as you can see, what we got here is this parametric filters option. So if I click that, we have all of these to choose from here. And as you can see, we have halftone pattern. So if I click halftone pattern, wait for the filter to be applied, and there you can see our halftone pattern has been applied. And what the benefit of these parametric filters are is you're able to manipulate them through these options here. So I can change the color if I want to. So if I click on color 1, I can go for a sort of a lighty, sort of pinkish kind of red kind of color, and that will be applied to the filter like so. What else can we do here? Change the shape selection. Might go for stripe there, but I think maybe dot is the best one, to be fair, like so. And as you can see, very, very easy there, guys. I've created that halftone effect. Now, if you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.